1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25. 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 49. 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. 10 square is equal to 100. 11 square is equal to 121. 12 square is equal to 144. 13 square is equal to 169. 14 square is equal to 196. 15 square is equal to 225. 16 square is equal to 256. 17 square is equal to 289. 18 square is equal to 324. 19 square is equal to 361. 20 square is equal to 400. 21 square is equal to 441. 22 square is equal to 484. 23 square is equal to 529. 24 square is equal to 576. 25 square is equal to 625. 26 square is equal to 676. 27 square is equal to 7